pull up like 3D. Beat my weed in my 40. I can tell she want me, just by the way she on me. Only one who believe in me. Know you want me out the street, don't need know what I'm out to be. All I know is they after me. Get high, don't want no gravity. I'm not the average. My bitch the baddest. Photo on me, I'm a savage. No, I'm blasted. Try to play me like it's mad. My niggas trapping. Either way to make it happen. He talk about what is.
Alright, good morning guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we buy some fish and I start working on my 180SX. My 180SX I bought kind of a while ago. It's been a process getting it running. And the day that I got it registered, turbo manifold blew up. So I hit up one of my buddies, John from Enticed. He's like, bro, bring the car to the shop, we'll take care of you. That's what I've been doing. What you're gonna see in this video is just me taking apart the car, cleaning everything, making sure everything's done right, even installed a couple bumpers on the car. And then in the next video, hopefully the turbo will be going on and finishing the body kit up. And with Tanner's car, I've been waiting on another shop to see when I can take it there and start working on it there. Maybe I'll end up just taking it to John's shop. John said that Tanner's car's welcome there. I've got tons of videos lined up. We got my 240 getting fixed, we got a drift event on Saturday, and then we got Tanner's car to get fixed. And so stay tuned for all of that. Bruh, we got a new tank and things escalated way too fast.
You showed the fish?
New additions to the tank. The goldfish, the fish, put a bunch in there. We got some crawdad. That's what I'm most excited about. We got one, we got a couple tucked up in here. Just kind of crazy. And then we got these guys. These guys are probably gonna release. These guys are some buddies, bro. They just be chilling right next to each other. I don't know if they're gonna be having babies soon. It is springtime, and let's hope so. All right, we made it into Enticed Motorsports. A couple projects already here. The goal for today is just taking off the turbo manifold and all the turbo piping so we can get all new custom manifold and downpipe and stuff like that.
No. I'm a fucking demon with a dream in my eyes.
Look at these hockey pucks. We got the manifold out. Alright, no one cares about this janky ISR, and Tyson's gonna do me right, ain't that right? Alright, the owner before me tack welded this onto the turbo, which is kind of janky, so we're cutting this off to clean this up, make it super nice.
I can do myself. Put my heart on a shelf you can't reach.
Turbo is apart. Now time to start cleaning it. Yeah, look at this snail. I can see why they call them snails now. Look, it looks like a little snail shell. And something else that's pretty cool that I found out, this is an HKS Garrett turbo. Yeah, turbo's apart. Now it's time to start cleaning. I think we're sandblasting. Alright, we're sandblasting this right now. Alright, right now while John welding up the turbo kit, I'm putting on some arrows so the car looks a little better. Tried it for a while now, decided to finally put it on. We're doing it the right way too, which is not what I'm used to.
I was on offense, playing on defense, stay of the season. You said you love me, you laugh for no reason. My heart was broken, turned me to a demon. Well, now you got me tweaking. No. Wait till I can't breathe. I'm lost for words. You need to stop that line. But you hate me, I'm still.
The car's a completely different car, huh?
Yeah. Niggas die every day, B. Chicken nugget niggas in my face, talking about no brother, no cash, what you want, B? Right arm full of jail fonts, dick all up in the Claremont. All these niggas hating on Bo, 26 for my new coat. Whoa, damn, young nigga flexing too hard. Ayy, finna get a new car garage. Whoa, damn, how'd you do it? How'd you do it? How'd you do it? How'd you do it? Pussy nigga tried to knock me off, huh? That's cool. We gon' pull up on them carpool. No lights, nigga, no rules. ECW, running shit like I'm George W. Motivated.